Chilliz value equivalent to $0.0900 a coin. The present reach: $0.0889, $0.0943. The earlier day close: $0.0903. The change was 0.0003, 0.33%. Backwards rate: United States dollars to CHZ. Chilliz value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Chilliz cost expectation for December 2023. At the outset, cost at $0.073. Most extreme cost $0.125, least cost $0.073. The normal for the month $0.096. Chilliz cost gauge toward the month's end $0.113, change for December 54.8%. CHZ to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. Initially cost at $0.113. Most extreme cost $0.140, least cost $0.098. The normal for the month $0.121. Chilliz cost gauge toward the month's end $0.131, change for January 15.9%. Chilliz cost expectation for February 2024. To start with, cost at $0.131. Greatest cost $0.153, least cost $0.131. The normal for the month $0.140. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.143, change for February 9.2%. CHZ to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2024. At the outset, cost at $0.143. Most extreme cost $0.165, least cost $0.143. The normal for the month $0.151. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end $0.154, change for spring 7.7%. Chilliz cost expectation for April 2024. First and foremost, cost at $0.154. Most extreme cost $0.169, least cost $0.147. The normal for the month $0.157. Chilliz cost gauge toward the month's end $0.158, change for April 2.6%. CHZ to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. Initially cost at $0.158. Most extreme cost $0.158, least cost $0.124. The normal for the month $0.143. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end $0.133, change for May 15.8%. Chilliz cost expectation for June 2024. To start with, cost at $0.133. Greatest cost $0.146, least cost $0.126. The normal for the month $0.135. Chilliz cost gauge toward the month's end $0.136, change for June 2.3%. CHZ to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. At the outset, cost at $0.136. Most extreme cost $0.136, least cost $0.106. The normal for the month $0.123. Chilliz cost figure toward the month's end $0.114, change for July 16.2%. Chilliz cost expectation for August 2024. Initially cost at $0.114. Most extreme cost $0.114, least cost $0.089. The normal for the month $0.103. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.096, change for August 15.8%. CHZ to United States dollars expectations for September 2024. In the first place, cost at $0.096. Greatest cost $0.108, least cost $0.094. The normal for the month $0.100. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end $0.101, change for September 5.2%. Chilliz cost expectation for October 2024. To start with, cost at $0.101. Greatest cost $0.101, least cost $0.086. The normal for the month $0.095. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end $0.093, change for October 7.9%. CHZ to United States dollars expectations for November 2024. Before all else cost at $0.093. Most extreme cost $0.097, least cost $0.085. The normal for the month $0.092. Chilliz cost gauge toward the month's end $0.091, change for November 2.2%. Chilliz cost expectation for December 2024. In the first place cost at $0.091. Greatest cost $0.113, least cost $0.091. The normal for the month $0.100. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.106, change for December 16.5%. Chilliz cost expectation for February 2026. At the outset cost at $0.051. Most extreme cost $0.058, least cost $0.050. The normal for the month $0.053. Chilliz cost figure toward the month's end $0.054, change for February 5.9%. CHZ to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2026. Initially cost at $0.054. Most extreme cost $0.067, least cost $0.054. The normal for the month $0.060. Chilliz cost gauge toward the month's end $0.063, change for spring 16.7%. Chilliz cost expectation for April 2026. In the first place cost at $0.063. Greatest cost $0.063, least cost $0.049. The normal for the month $0.057. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end $0.053, change for April 15.9%. CHZ to United States dollars expectations for May 2026. To start with cost at $0.053. Greatest cost $0.065, least cost $0.053. The normal for the month $0.058. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.061, change for May 15.1%. Chilliz cost expectation for June 2026. Initially cost at $0.061. Most extreme cost $0.068, least cost $0.060. The normal for the month $0.063. Chilliz cost gauge toward the month's end $0.064, change for June 4.9%. CHZ to United States dollars expectations for July 2026. To start with cost at $0.064. Greatest cost $0.064, least cost $0.05.